While designing, there are many common error windows that may appear in Fusion 360. In this video, we will discuss the overconstrained window. We will first draw a circle for this explanation. The circle will be fixed to the center point on the grid. Next, we will provide a diameter to the circle. One of the best ways to determine if your sketch is fully defined is if the contours change to a solid black color. All objects in the 2D sketch cannot move. If we try to place another dimension on this fully defined circle, this error message appears. To summarize, this window means that all 2D sketch objects are constrained, and the most recent dimension overconstrains the 2D sketch feature. By selecting OK, you can create a reference dimension, which is a dimension that does not constrain the 2D sketch and is only used as a reference of the current dimension. Let's see another example. When making a square, you need to fix one point. Define the length of one side and set two adjacent sides equal by means of the equal constraint. Since all points and lines have turned black, there are no movable objects in the sketch. This means adding another dimension will cause the overconstrained sketch window to appear. By removing the equal constraints, one line turned from black to its original color. This means you can now add a dimension to constrain the line instead. There are still horizontal and vertical constraints on each line to ensure the lines are at a 90-degree angle from one another.